Welcome to this course on business intelligence developing. My name is Chris and I will guide you through this course. In this course, we are going to automate your marketing pipeline step by step. If you run into any roadblocks, please don't hesitate to ask a question. Also, if you have any feedback, just drop me a line. Now, what are we going to do in this course? Right in the beginning, we state some business intelligence questions that we will solve. Then we are going to extract data from Google and Facebook with Python. Then we are also going to transform that data and finally load it into some Google spreadsheet. Is this course for you? This course is for you if you are trying to automate your marketing or your business intelligence, and if you are a complete beginner in Python. This course could also be for you if you are a developer and you would like to see how you could streamline your business intelligence with Python. If you are an advanced user of Python and have business intelligence knowledge, then this course may not be for you. What can you expect during these videos? You can follow these videos step by step. If you make some errors, that's great. Stop and try to figure out what went wrong. Sometimes I will make some errors during this course in order for you to understand Python better. I will of course always correct those errors. Now, what is ahead of us? We need to download and install Python. We also need some editor where we can write our code in. I will be using the Visual Code Editor by Microsoft. We will also need some accounts. For example, we need to open a Google account. With that Google account, we will then open Google Analytics, Google AdWords, and Google Cloud Platform accounts. Lastly, we also need a Facebook account. In terms of data, you preferably would already have some Facebook and Google Analytics data. If you don't have any data yet, you can still replicate the code, but you will just not have any resulting data.